In this video, I will show how to hide online status in Telegram. Open Telegram. Now here click on this menu icon. Click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Here is the option Last Seen and Online. Select here Nobody. You want see last seen or online status for people with whom you don't share yours. Approximate times will be shown instead, like recently, within a week, within a month. Then save it. Also, guys, you can add exceptions. So this way you can hide online status in Telegram. Thanks for watching.